Hello, everyone. Today, I want to continue talking about understanding the IRS notice. In this part, I'll be talking about six typical notice that a taxpayer or business could receive. Let's get started. The first one I want to talk about is the CP 162 notice. Basically, this is a notice that the IRS sends to S Corp or partnership for failure to file on time. That's the 11/20 1065 tax return. The penalty is right now is 195 for each person or for each partner at any time during the tax year for each month of where the return is late, up to 12 months. The other one I want to talk about is the CP90C notice. This notice is as a result of uh, a taxpayer not paying the unpaid federal taxes. Basically, because of this is specifically for federal contractors, and they issue out this notice because they have not received a full payment despite sending these notices to the federal contractors. Because they are federal contractors, they are not given the right to a pre-levy hearing, but however, they could appeal the tax debt on this as long as they do it within 30 days of the CDP hearing, which is a collection due processes. So they could still appeal that case. The next notice I want to talk about is the CP80 notice. The IRS credits payment or other credits on your tax return for the period showed on the notice. However, they didn't see a tax return. For example, let's say you qualify for energy credit and they have the information on hand, but you haven't filed a tax. You haven't filed your taxes yet. You quickly respond to the IRS so that you could have your refunds or the credits being given to you. You have within 3 years of the time that the return is due to make this correction. The next one I'll talk about is the CP81 notice. It's very similar to the CP80 notice, but the issue here is the status of limitation. We call the outset date. That means for them to give you a refund is due and is about to expire. So that is even the timeliness of that is even more urgent. So that's the CP81 notice. Let's go to the next one, which is the CP88 notice. Basically, this is the type of notice they send you that they know you qualify for a refund, but because you have on file taxes, and the IRS also believe that you'll be owing, so they are still keeping this return. If you have any objection to that, you should contact the IRS immediately. Or if you don't contact them, the IRS might file a substitute return on your behalf because they might have all the information. That's the CP88 notice. Now let's go to the next one is the CP49 notice. Basically, the IRS they are informing you that they are using part of your refund to pay a tax debt. Basically, you if there's still a difference left, you get a check in the mail. This happens most of the time. Maybe you hold the state, and the state has has asked the IRS to send them any payments that they could get, and it could be vice versa too. So that's it for now. If you have any information, please feel free to contact me. I'm willing to assist you. Thank you. Bye.